Alright, so here we are with the next bit, and what you see here is that it wants us to drive these into these holes right here. Now, I'm pretty sure that eventually you could probably put them in different holes, and that's why they have all these different adjustments available to us. But for now, we'll just follow the instructions as they are, because why not? This one's done, and we've got one more to do on the other side. I do not like to over tighten anything, especially with plastic, and I do not like to Loctite stuff, but you can feel free to do that, especially if you plan to send your car over the moon, yeah, you could do that.
Likey.